Hon? Why'd you let me do this? This was such a bad idea. What's going on today? So, I got a little bit of a problem, but I think I got the solution. My OEM engine cover has been taking some abuse. I thought about only putting it on at car shows, but I don't know. I want to enjoy the complete look of the car. So right here, the paint is cracking. I don't know if it didn't cure long enough or just, I mean, it's not meant to be next to that type of heat for a long period of time. So I want to cut this section of the OEM cover and completely take it out, which leaves me with an exposed intake manifold. My solution to that, let's put this aside. My solution to that is one of these. And this is a real carbon fiber. So it'll be nice to get a little bit of carbon fiber under catch can. Nice. Get some real carbon fiber underneath the hood to match the carbon fiber that I have on all these cap covers. But if I'm trying to eye it up, that OEM cover is like right around here. So I'm trying to figure out, and I think I have, if it doesn't expose the fuel rail and the injectors, which could be tucked and cleaned up, but that look has been done by everybody that owns a Caliber that doesn't have an OEM cover. And there are a ton of these out there on other Calibers. I just want to do something different, something that nobody's done before. So I am going to attempt Ladybug. Is that good luck or bad luck? Hope it's good. I am going to attempt to incorporate the OEM cover with this sick ass paint job with this beautiful, not this one, I have a beautiful carbon fiber intake manifold cover, and incorporate them together to give me a definitely one of a kind custom look. But I'm going to have to reroute my catch can, so I've loosened it up, taken it off from the PCV, and I think if I just swap it around, run this one on this side, put this over here, which I probably should have done from the beginning because it would allow me to have less hose shoot right out of the PCV right into there and then right down. That seems like a better flow anyways. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I came up with this idea. It must have seemed like a good idea at the time, but don't they all? So I'm gonna work on the catch can first. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. We'll just come back to when I have those rerouted and see if it's gonna work, and then stick around because I'm going to be cutting into, you know, a $400 OEM cover with a pair of tin snips. So I'm either gonna completely destroy it or I'm gonna pull off something awesome. Stick around, we'll see. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm still not totally used to having the camera on me and stuff, and actually I get a little nervous when I'm trying to do something critical with somebody watching me, and when I have this camera blinking in front of me, I feel like somebody's watching me. So I didn't film any of the cutting. I did not want to cut this, but the imperfections starting in the paint around this area up here were just starting to really stand out, and I do show the car a lot. So without any further ado, let's get to the finished look. I love it. I think it looks more like a real engine now, even though there's still plastic pieces covering it. At least it's carbon fiber and custom airbrush. I really did not want to get rid of this cover entirely because these painted items have a little sentimental attachment to me. I love the paint job and I don't want to get rid of them. So I'm happy with how this came out. I think it actually looks a little better now. Kind of looks like the LS motor covers do a little bit. I don't know. But we have another thing to do. These are just little carbon fiber door sills. So I had already made some of these. I was just being funny, I stuck it here. I had this set up. My father actually made these Dodge decals for me, and I like them, but I like those caliber ones better. I kind of had those Dodge stickers left over and just like, what can I use this on? So I've already pulled off the little ones I had on this side. I need to finish pulling them off and clean off the glue. Cover where the old glue was, so lucky me. Whoa, whoa, wind. Oh, those are reflective. The caliber letters are reflective on that. I didn't even know it. That's pretty cool. Oh, they sent me this little tool. When I show, the doors are like that. So, nice little feature. I'm still amazed at how this came out. So, that about wraps it up for today's installment. New carbon fiber manifold cover. And we put in the new door sills. And we put in the new door sills. Car's back together. Everything's tight and right. Till next time, you guys, keep it custom.